kapatid. Para sa ating video for today ay isang water tower tour na ginawang bahay ng English couple dito sa Mirapuan. Tapos samahan niyo kami.
You get paid?
The sewerage tower turned into a house. And there is the canal water. Wow! As the water passes under the tower, that's why it's cold. This tower is an ancient system that controls the flow of the water from the houses to the river. Okay, let's go in the top of the tower. So this is wow! Pasensya na sa English, nosebleed talaga. Tagal ko hindi kasi ito ng English eh. Wow! Actually, ang kapal po ng mukha namin, wag niyo pong gayahin. Naki-house tour kami, walang pasabi sa atin. Yes! Yes! lang dito, English talaga.
Is this the floor that was a bed? Was it this floor? Yes. This floor. There was a bed here, but yes, kids. Oh no, it was a big bed.
Now let's go to the third floor. This is actually the fourth floor. So I touch. Mahirap lang dito pag may rayuma ka. Ang taas. Puro hagdanan. Ito ang Mirapuan. Yung dalawang may rayuma hindi makaakyat. Let's go to the last floor. Wow! Time! Happy time! Fifth floor! Wow! Nasa fifth floor o top floor na kami. Pangit palang pakinggan yung whistle. Apat ang bintana niya. So makikita mo ang buong part ng Mirapuan. This is the other side. Maraming salamat po ulit mga kapatid sa pagsama niyo sa akin ngayon. At sa susunod pa pong video. Maraming salamat po. Keep safe and God bless.